Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 1 Introduction to Charitable Contributions. In this chapter, we will introduce general concepts regarding charitable contributions, what they are, what forms must be filled out in order to claim them, and other IRS publications that are helpful in determining values of donated property. Let's begin by defining a charitable contribution. The IRS defines a charitable contribution as, quote, a donation or gift to or for the use of a qualified organization, end quote. A charitable contribution can be made either in the form of money or as a gift of tangible property such as a computer, an automobile, or even a piece of land. One of the most important tests in determining if a gift qualifies as a charitable contribution is that nothing must be expected in return. Therefore, the gift must be voluntary and must be made without getting or expecting to get anything of equal value. If a taxpayer receives a benefit from a gift to a qualified organization, the taxpayer can only deduct the amount given that is in excess of the value of the benefit received.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.